In the last two videos, we found out that how we can uh, upload our DIDs in a free PBX, and how we can also upload our sound files. That is basically all that you need to do in free PBX or Elastix, right? So after you do that, you move to the billing system. The billing system, that's where you are working mostly. Your work is being done in the billing system. To log into your billing system, you can either use this link, go to extras, and calling cards, right? So you go to extras and calling cards, then the A2 billing will appear here, or you can simply go to the A2 billing site, A2 billing link directly without passing through Elastix, like this, A2 billing admin. So you can actually go to it directly like this. At least you will have a much bigger screen to work with. Okay, now this is the welcome screen of your A2 billing. It is the dashboard, right? There are certain things that you need to do here. Since you are not creating customers yourselves, you will not need to create any customers unless you want to create your own accounts or your staff accounts, right? Then your agents are the ones that are going to create customers. So it will be your agents creating the customers and not you. Okay, all right. And also you are going to be able to load your DIDs here. You can also import them. Remember, we imported them last time from in A2 billing, but when we imported them into A2 billing, A2 billing was just pointing them to when we imported them in free PBX was just pointing those DIDs to A2 billing. So now we want to tell A2 billing that these DIDs, we have them, and you are when they are directed to you, you must bill them this way, or you must yes, we are just telling A2 billing the instructions on what to do with the DIDs that come in. And also from our dashboard, you can actually see that we have total resellers. These resellers is the same as the agents. These are the agents. And then we have live calls. This will show if live calls are coming in, and all this you will see that for resellers online, total resellers, and live calls, the numbers or the values are clickable. These are clickable. When you click these numbers, you can get to, like, let's say you click on total resellers, you can go to the list of the resellers that are there. If you click on resellers online, you go to the number or the names and or the details of those resellers that are online. Okay, and then this shows the number of minutes in a 24-hour day. So all the day starts at 12 midnight, depending on what you have set up on your server. Okay, so from 12 midnight to 12 midnight again. So that's a complete day. Okay, right. So that's basically what's on your dashboard. And now I'm also going to show you the functions on the other panels, but for now let me maybe try to make a call, and then we can see what really happens here. and okay, so that's the account that I'm going to make a call. One of the DIDs that are in there is 2472215, so we are going to call that DID 227 2247 2215. Okay, so if we call this number, as soon as it gets connected, okay, we start seeing the live calls. This is the number of the live calls. So now this call is connected to a sound file. So this is the sound file that is playing, and you can get the number of live calls that are there. If you click there, you can actually see this live calls page. It shows the time start, the customer, the agent, the reseller name, and from where that call is coming from, and to which DID is being found, and the destination. This shows the sound file or the IVR that is being played. So this destination is 831.024. It is linked to a sound file in FreePBX. Okay, so if you want to disconnect this call, you can actually disconnect it as an admin from the panel like this. Even if from not only from the admin panel, but also from the agent panel. This thing is also there. It shows, and in the like I was saying, in the agent panel, you don't have total resellers, but you've got live calls, and you've got total customers and customers online, and also the minutes for that, and or in the customers panel, you have number of live calls and the number of minutes, you see. So that's how it's structured, and it's the reseller only sees details that are pertaining to his account and his clients, and the customer only sees details that are pertaining to his account only. So that's how it happens. But the administrator can see anything from the customer. He can see anything from the customer to the reseller, whatever. He can see all the details for all the clients that are online. Okay, so that's how it is structured. So in my next video, I will try to show you the different functions on how you can upload the DIDs in A2 billing, and how you can allocate it to customers, and how customers can get those DIDs applied to their own accounts.